Okay, what we doing today? 2015 Pursuit Charger. We're gonna unbox the front tower, strut tower support, and we're gonna try to put this in real quick. It's a chilly December day. Hope that this install goes quickly. So let's do the unboxing. Believe we got the right one now. One thing I can say, wrap these things pretty good. Should not be damaged. Being shipped from their factory to your house. This is the front because they gave you new bolts. Once you take your old bolts off the strut towers, again, I want the powder coated red. Here we go. The purpose of this strut tower brace is to cut down on some of the flex in these vehicles. The way they construct it, they flex a lot from left to right. And this is going to tighten up the chassis to keep that from doing that. So I'm going to go get something to pop these caps off. So first thing I'm going to do is pop these caps off. I'm going to get a flat screwdriver. Simply get a screwdriver. There's a slot there. Pop the cap off both sides. Place these to the side because we will not be reusing them. Let me go get put on a pair of gloves. So the tools you're going to need is a 13mm. I could use an extension. So you just want to loosen these up. Both sides. And you're going to place your shock tower brace on top of these nuts. Put the old nuts in the old cap. We'll get the strut tower brace bar, and this is where you may have to play with it side to side because it may not fit right away. You may have to get a rubber mallet. That's not too bad. Let me get a rubber mallet. Put it on this side. And I may put another tool to hold it while I'm manipulating it on this side. There we go. Let's bring out some of the new hardware. Get one or two of them started and start pulling it down in place, lock it up, and this is a done deal. Use the new nuts that comes with the kit, with the bar, not a kit. Oh, I'm saying it's a kit. You might just want to give it a quick tap on either side until you can get it to seat properly. Rubber mallet is your best friend. You need that to softly persuade the bar to go over the studs of the strut. Get a ratchet, get a few turns on it, and then I follow the manufacturer's recommendation for it. Right. Take the caps, place them to the side. So as you can see with the strut tower brace, can't get the cap back on. So you'll have 2 extra caps, 6 extra bolts. This is going to wrap up the install from American Muscle. I believe it's the BMR strut tower brace. Just make sure you have a rubber mallet so you don't mark up the powder coating. What did it take, about 5-10 minutes for an install? 13mm socket, flat screwdriver, and you're done. And this stiffens up the vehicle, because these Challenger chargers flex a lot from left to right, and that's going to tighten that up. Done.